All right, let's go BTS on this install behind the scenes with your boy Jack. We're gonna go check out what Marcus is doing. Marky Mark, what's going on, bud? Putting in the steering wheel, or are you supervising?
I'm learning the proper way to put in one with a horn because I never put in horns. Horns are used for road rage.
You ever get road rage?
Yeah.
So do you need a horn then?
No, I just trail people and
trail them and just like piss them off to the point where they like flick you off and shit?
Yeah, and then they speed past and then who knows what happens.
Do you ever do, you know, I do fury passes or rage passes.
You mean racer flybys?
No. What I do is like I cut them off as I get back in the lane. So like if you're driving like a jackass in front of me, I will go around you and then get in front of you and
slow down.
Yeah. Well, I won't slow down, but I'll make sure I don't leave very much room so that you know that I'm there and I'm pissed at you. Yeah, I call it a fury pass.
I just go by and then slow down and leave it in first gear.
Oh man, you're an asshole.
Okay, Brick Dog, I'm pretty sure I can take this in here.
Don't you talk down to him.
Christ.
Is he talking down to you?
What you do now is
don't let him talk down to you like that. Oh boy, it works.
Every layer you check it.
Okay. Good job. He's got it, getting it done. You feel good about this install?
Yeah.
He's taking care of it? Yeah. You showed him the way?
I showed him the way, yeah.
That's good. You know the way.
I tried to find instructions, but it didn't work.
Yeah, you don't need instructions, man. You don't need.
Why don't? He's the worst at it, so don't ever listen to most.
You don't need instructions. You need.
Bert wants me to use instructions every day.
This is the guy that put a broken piston in a broken thing in a new thing. He doesn't want to wait 2 weeks.
There's no. I bought a new piston.
Yeah, but you put the old piston back in it.
No, I put a new piston in my old cylinder. Get it right, man. Get it right.
Whatever.
He's trying to make me look like I don't know what I'm doing.
You're not patient.
I'm definitely not patient. I'm not going to deny you of that. All right, we're on our way now to my favorite place. We rounded up the troops. We got Marcus behind me. We got Shaw in front of me. You guys know where we're going. I don't even have to tell you. It's my favorite. So hopefully it doesn't take too long and we can just get these cars inspected. Marcus is pimping the Fair Lady. Shaw is driving the Skyline he'll never own, as usual. And I'm in a Fair Lady also. This thing is a twin turbo with leather. It's actually a really nice car. It's a 2+2 twin turbo leather. It's an automatic, but I'm actually impressed. This car moves pretty good. It's not the slowest thing in the world. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's definitely not the slowest. It moves pretty good. So I don't know. I think it's all stock. Might have an ECU or something. Marcus doesn't want none of this. I'll tell you that right now. The Skyline Shaw is driving has like a little straight pipe. It's got a muffler delete, and it sounds obnoxious. Rudnick would love that. It's like not full straight pipe, but it's definitely obnoxious. I don't think you can hear it on camera, but I sure as hell can hear it in here. Kind of digging this automatic life. Don't have to do anything with my hand. This is a lot easier for vlogging. So, for future reference, vlog car. I'm gonna have to get an automatic Supra, I guess. Getting on the interstate now. About to rage it. See what the traffic looks like. If it's not too bad, I'm gonna give it a little rip. Let's see what she does. I'm gonna make. For those of you who don't know, these cars have like a little chime that starts when you go over like a certain speed. I forget what speed it is, but I'm sure we're gonna get to it. So hold on to your horses here. Let me see. Looks like they got a little entry point to get on the interstate. Looking good. I don't really have any room to stretch it out, but I definitely want to. All right, I'm gonna stretch it a little bit. Here we go. Woo! Chime came on 120K. But yeah, no, all in all, that's like 110. It's on right now. I hear this stupid chime. But this thing moves really good. Gets up to highway speed fast. I mean, I keep reminding myself this car is stock, so, you know, for the time period, this was a pretty fast car. By today's standards, maybe not, but hey, I'm actually a little bit impressed. This thing is not bad. I'm having fun. Where you at, Marcus? I'm not even getting out of the car this time. I'm just gonna sit here and watch YouTube videos. I can't deal with these people right now. That's it, Shaw. Go in, Shaw. So I don't have to. What a good friend. Finally. Like 2 hours later, again, it takes them 5 seconds to look under the hood and just verify that the numbers match. I don't understand why it takes so long, but whatever, we're done. We're out of here. Meanwhile, I discovered this thing had a cool Japanese CD in it, and it's playing some weird stuff. So, I'm just gonna continue listening to it, because that's all we got. And we're headed back to the shop, finally. About 80 pull, not too bad. We still get the 0 to 60. 100 Ks is 62 miles an hour, so you can do the math there. It's not too shabby.
Are we live right now?
No. You want to tell us what you're doing here today?
You're trying to eat a burger, but obviously there's more famous people here than me.
Think so?
Oh yeah. He just doesn't know that I'm more famous than him.
Well, they can't all know. No. We're at BurgerFi. It's our usual hot spot. And thank you. Shaw's pseudo cameraman at this point now.
Well, yeah. I'm just waiting for my food.
Me too. What'd you get?
I got a BurgerFi burger with Jack out veggie burger.
I did. I like it.
It's good.
I like the veggie burger. The veggie burger is really good here.
And we got the crying fries. And they put my name as Sean because they couldn't get. I guess they didn't get Shamir. But you know, whatever. Sean's fine. I'll rock with Sean.
What can I say? Sean White over here. That's what he tells everybody whenever he would go anywhere. He says his name is Sean White.
It makes sense because I'm the opposite of Sean White, mainly because I'm brown.
Yeah. What's that?
Did you drive the Viper?
Oh yeah, the Viper's crazy fast. Shaw wants it.
Ridiculously dangerous.
Ridiculously.
They had 5 PSI boost. It was spinning on the dyno.
Yeah, it was making 1,000 horsepower and we couldn't keep it.
Couldn't even keep it. And he wanted to crank it up to what, 24?
Something like that. Shaw, you want that car?
Oh yeah. How much does he want for it? Who cares?
It's a twin turbo Viper.
It's the only fast twin turbo Viper period done. It's the fastest one in the world.
How was your burger?
Oh, it was good, but you know, he tried to come over to me and ask me for an autograph. I just said, well, please, not right now, you know. Let me finish my burger.
So we just got back and I'm gonna go work on some more stuff. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already checked it out, we got some new inventory up. Go to horsepowerlogic.com, check out what we have, and if you want anything, let us know. We'll get it for you, and we'll see you in the next one.
Oh, and shirts. Buy some shirts.
Oh, Shaw wants you to buy his shirts.
Buy my shirts.
And
hats.
And
buy the trifecta.
there you go.
That's the one right there.
There you go.
HorsepowerLogic.com. Buy the trifecta. You save money and shipping. So do it now.
Sean White says so.
Right. Sean